Hello everyone. Here is a quick lesson in parallel parking. So I'm about to park behind this black truck. So I put my right signal on, check my mirror and my blind spot. Pull up to about 2 feet or a half a meter or maybe a meter from the side of this vehicle. Stop when the back bumper of my vehicle is in line with the back bumper of this vehicle. Place the gear selected to reverse. Look at the steering wheel. See, 12, 3, 6, 9. So I turn the steering wheel to the right until the number 12 is at the number 9 position. So hand over hand. So it's 12 and 6. Then you check. There's a car behind me, so I won't move. Okay, so it's safe. So I let the car do the job. When the front of my car is in line with the back of this truck, then I stop completely, get all the turns into the left, then continue backing into the parking space, checking over my left shoulder, over the right, until the car is parallel to the curb. Place the gear selected to drive. Now straighten the wheel. So the 12 is here, so we go until it looks like the face of a clock. Then turn to the right until it looks like the face of a clock again. That means the wheels are straight. So ease off the brake and inch up just a little bit. Apply the parking brake. Gear selected to park. And you're done. That's parallel parking. Thanks for watching.